In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dynamic input in AutoCAD. Now, for those who might not be familiar, dynamic input is a really handy feature within AutoCAD. It allows prompts and dimensions to display near your cursor, which means you can input values and options directly in the drawing area. This feature offers a more interactive and streamlined workflow, as opposed to relying strictly on the command line, making your design process efficient and intuitive. To start, you'll need to locate the Dynamic Input button. Typically, this button is part of the status bar, which runs along the bottom edge of your AutoCAD window. It's been thoughtfully integrated into the interface for your convenience, allowing quick and easy access with just a click. However, sometimes it might not be immediately visible, especially if your status bar is cluttered with other tools. If that's the case, don't worry. If you can't spot the Dynamic Input button right away, you'll need to slightly adjust your interface by customizing the status bar. To do this, look for the Customization button, which can be identified by 3 horizontal lines, usually nestled right in your status bar. By clicking on this Customization button, you bring up a list of additional features that you can choose to display in your status bar. Simply find and select Dynamic Input from this list, and it will instantly be added to your status bar for accessible toggling in the future. Once you have the Dynamic Input button right where you need it, clicking it will toggle this feature on or off. When toggled on, as you engage in drawing or editing commands, you'll notice how prompts and dimensioning cues conveniently appear near your cursor. This practical visual aid prompts you right in the workspace, allowing you more flexibility and focus as you work on your designs without having to break your concentration to input commands elsewhere. For those who prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also use the F12 key to toggle dynamic input on or off, no matter which command is currently active. It's a quick and efficient shortcut that can save you time and streamline your workflow even further. Whether you're mid-command or simply preparing for your next creative endeavor, the F12 key is a fantastic way to quickly activate or deactivate this feature at your discretion. And that's it. You've now turned on dynamic input in AutoCAD, enhancing your drawing experience with intuitive prompts and input regions directly within the workspace. I hope this feature helps make your design tasks smoother and more efficient. Keep practicing, and you'll find this tool to be an incredibly valuable asset in your AutoCAD toolkit. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing.